Have you ever wondered why import duty in Jamaica is so high? It's not just greed, there's a reason behind it. Part 1. How it works. When you import something, customs doesn't just charge you on the item's price. They use something called CIF, cost insurance and freight. Then they stack on customs duty, GCT, environmental levy, and a few other fees. That's why your 200 item ends up costing 350. Part 2. Why it's so high. Jamaica keeps import taxes high for three main reasons. 1. To raise government revenue. Customs is one of the biggest money makers. 2. To protect local businesses, imported goods compete with Jamaican made because of the common external tariff, which adds 10-20% on goods from outside CARICOM. Part 3. Hidden facts solution. Here's what most people don't know since April 2024. If your package is under US 100, you might not pay customs duty at all. But once it's over 100, the full CIF value gets taxed. So before you buy online, always calculate your duty first. Follow Alpha and Facts for more breakdowns like this, and drop demo in the comments if you want me to show you how much duty you'd pay on your next gadget.